Namaste. Welcome to this series on foundational concepts of Sanatana Dharma. Often you would have heard of the term Prana, and it's a widely used terminology. You would have also heard of Pranayama, or maybe have practiced that as well. And often Prana is looked at as the life breath. So when we say Prana, it does not just mean the breath that keeps the body alive, but it is representing an entire energy system in the body. It is needed for every cell to work properly, and especially the organs of action to be able to function properly. We need the prana to flow through them. Otherwise, of course, when we say the prana has left the body, it means that the body is no more useful or functional. And when we looked at the Pranamaya Kosha, we said the Pranamaya Kosha is to do with the Pancha Prana together with the Karmendriya. So, what are the Pancha Prana? The five pranas. They include Prana, Apana, Vyana, Samana, and Udana. They are also called Pancha Vayus, or five airs that move in the body and also help the body to move. So, prana is basically the inward flowing, the in breath that we take. And it helps in the process of respiration. This entire chest region, the thoracic region, it helps to function, and it is basically in charge of respiration. The apana vayu is basically the one that is functioning in the lower regions of the body. It takes care of the process of mainly excretion or removal of the waste in the body. The samana vayu is functioning in the navel region, and it takes care of the digestive processes and also helps to maintain the heat in the body, thermal regulation for that matter. The vyana vayu takes care of circulation in the entire body. You need the blood to move through the entire body. You also need energy that is to be circulated throughout the body, and that is Vyana Vayu or Vyana Prana. And the Udana Prana is on the upper regions above the chest region, and it takes care of many functions in this region, including speech, memory, various cognitive functions. It's a very important Vayu, and it also helps in the upward movement. So the Pancha Prana ensure that our entire system functions properly. That is why focusing on pranayama practices really becomes important. And when we say pranayama, it is important to conserve our prana. What happens is, because either the mind is distracted or we engage with a lot of indulgence with the body, a lot of prana just gets wasted. But if we have to conserve it so that it is available for higher experiences, deeper states of consciousness, better functioning of the body and the mind and the intellect, it is important that we focus on certain practices. That is why we do pranayama practices. It really energizes the system and makes it light and makes it very, very sattvic in that sense. So we looked at the Pancha Prana in terms of Prana, Apana, Vyana, Samana, and Udana Vayu, the Pancha Vayus. Namaste.